Hey everybody, just reporting update on Puerto Rico. There is a magnitude 5.2 earthquake that hit Puerto Rico today. 5.2 magnitude earthquake rattles Puerto Rico Wednesday morning, the latest of the series of earthquakes of the region this month. So as you know, there's many of earthquakes on that and stuff happening there. More than 1,280 earthquakes and up hitting that region since December the 28th. More than 24 of the magnitudes of a 4.5 or greater. Among them was the 6.4, which hit January the 7th. Many people are affected from this earthquake on there, but we'll keep you posted regarding what's going on these earthquakes in Puerto Rico.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.